probably know about coronavirus, also known as COVID-19. It's a small ball with spikes from the same family as MERS, Middle East Respiratory Syndrome, and SARS, Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome. Coronaviruses normally infect mammals and birds, but sometimes they mutate and affect humans. These viruses are called zoonotic viruses, so these viruses can be transmitted from mammals and birds to humans. It goes in our body and sits in our throats, causing sore throat and dry cough. The virus has protein spikes around it that looks for unsuspecting cells that have the right receptors, also known as a key and a lock. Here, the coronavirus targets cilia and mucus cells in our lungs and kills them. When those cells die, they move into our airways, filling them with debris and fluids. The virus has RNA, which has the information that uses our body's own system to replicate itself and create more viruses. When our immune system tries to fight the virus, it increases the body's temperature to create a hostile environment for the virus. Sometimes, the immune system overreacts and results in damage to healthy tissue. Because of this, some patients might get permanent lung damage. Sometimes, our immune system overreacts, causing white blood cells to produce chemicals, which leaks fluids into our lungs that combines with the virus. That causes even further damage to the cell and causes pneumonia. The symptoms are like a common cold and a flu: fever, cough, breathing difficulties, and tiredness. In more severe cases, the virus attacks the lungs and causes pneumonia. It takes about 10 days to recover from it. Most of the cases are mild, but some are severe and become critical, especially older people and people with weak immune system. It spreads from droplets from your nose and mouth when sneezing and coughing onto a surface. Then you touch the surface and your face, and you get infected. Also, you can pick it up from shaking hands and then touching your face. What you should do to avoid getting it is to avoid unnecessary contact with people and animals and wash your hands frequently. Don't touch your face, don't touch anything outside, and disinfect things you buy. What to do in case you get it is you should self-isolate yourself for 14 days. You should rest and sleep, keep warm, drink plenty of liquids, and call a doctor and get tested. Please like and subscribe and share with someone because it might help them. And don't forget to watch my next video on what to do during this lockdown situation.